Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy, crunchy chickpeas. About 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You could always sprinkle on more salt at the end if you want them saltier. About 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. About 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, somewhere around there of ground black pepper. And then about 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. These don't have to be exact. A lot of times I don't even measure, I just kind of shake it into the bowl of beans. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a little mix here. And then I have one can, this is about a 16-ounce can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. And what I did is I just drained these in a colander, just rinsed them really well, and then I dried them in some paper towel. You want them to be kind of dry before you cook them. That'll just help them get crispier. And then I have about a tablespoon, couple teaspoons, tablespoon of olive oil. I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle this on here. Or you could just do like a spray, like if you have a cooking spray, you can do that as well. And this is gonna help them get a little bit crisper, and also it's gonna help the seasonings to stick to them. And I'm just gonna put these seasonings on here. And then I'm gonna put my lid on this bowl. Let's give it a good shake. You could also just throw everything in like a little plastic bag and then shake it that way. Or you could just stir it. It just helps everything get evenly coated. There we go. Now we're gonna do this in the air fryer, and it's gonna be somewhere between 12 to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius. Or you can bake them on a pan in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's gonna go for somewhere between 20 to 35 minutes. It'll take longer in the oven. We'll just take the chickpeas and put them in there, and then you want to just shake them till they're kind of like evenly spaced out and just like in one layer, just like that. And then I'll put the basket in place. I'll set my temp to 400, and then I'm going to do it for about 12 minutes to start. After about 6 or 7 minutes, let's just take a peek. Looking good. I'm just going to give it a little shake like this. And then back in, and we'll cook it some more. And when the time is up, yeah, looking awesome. All right, and then I'm gonna just take these and pour them in this little bowl here. Take care. Time for me to dive into these, oh yeah. Mmm.